Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to the channel. We're just doing an update. It's spring now, March 27th, and the last video we did was at the end of October before winter. And we had the mini greenhouses set up with the lights and everything, and here's the result after winter. You can see how everything did well. All these plants were planted before, before the last video, which was October, and they're doing really well. But having said that, we have to remember that there were lights used back here because this part of the property only gets about half sunlight. So anyway, this is what we've got. We've actually got our kale is bolting now because the temperatures are up in the 50s and 60s. We've got the Walla Walla onions, the garlic, and more kale. Kale does really well in the winter. It's the best, in my opinion, for salads in the winter. You've got leeks over here, and those are bunching onions, and I believe some Walla Wallas. Here we've got some chard, and they all did really well. Nothing died, and my biggest satisfaction was with the onions and garlic. They held up, they didn't go yellow. And so anyway, if you haven't seen the previous video, please watch it, and maybe you can set up the same sort of a system before next winter. And thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe and watch the other gardening videos. Thanks.